Uyu niguo muciĩ mwerũ kũrĩ makĩria ma ciana 250 iria cikoretwo cikiũrũra mataũni-inĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Uasin Gishu. Kũringana na gavana wa Uasin Gishu hamwe na anyiti itemi angĩ arĩa mateithĩtie gũkinyanĩria gwa ceceni ĩno, ciana ici cirĩ na taranda itiganĩte na ũgĩ wa maũndũ mwanya, na ĩno noyo njĩra ya kũmanyitĩrĩra makinyanĩrie iroto ciao.
These are the children who are a little bit unfortunate from their background, where we've picked them as street family, and the children who have a disadvantaged background, we have decided to bring them here as a rescue center, and we want to help these children to grow and to realize their potential in life and to have meaningful lives as the rest of the people.
In this center we serve 17 counties and 2 countries. 17 counties of the Western region, including Coast Province, by virtue that we are on the highway to Uganda. And we also have children from Uganda and from South Sudan. So this is a place that we're asking many partners who want to partner with us to come on board.
Otiga mathomo, ciana ici nĩ cikuheo motungata ma kũrorwo ũgima wao wa mwĩrĩ.
So we're very pleased to be part of this great effort to help rescue children. This building right behind me is the dining hall, which we helped build and fund. It was about 4.7 million.
As a county government, we are ready to bring up these children, educate them, empower them, and ensure that once they grow up, we can reunite them with their families and their guardians.
Kuona nyingĩ cia ciana ici citirĩ na mĩciĩ ya gũcoka, mũingĩ nĩ ũrĩtio kũnyita itemi nene harĩ kũmarera na kũmahe mweke wa gũthoma.
We also do very serious program of concerning their health, and we screen them and see the status of their health, provide the necessary medication.
Our plans with the rescue center are to now build a girls' dormitory, and we just broke ground with the governor earlier today to help build a dormitory that could fit at least 60 girls to give them a nicer place in order to live.
To appeal to well-wishers and other partners to come in handy, because we need these people to help us. It is an enormous activity. We still have very many other children outside there. We want to appeal to parents and the society and the leadership in the local villages to identify these people, these young people who are going through this problem, let them bring here.
Thirikari ya kaunti yugĩte nĩ gũthiĩ na mbere kwandandũra ceceni ĩno ĩkĩnyitanĩra na ikundi cia andũ a wendi mwega nĩguo kũhota kuongerera mũigana wa ciana iria cirahonokio kuma kũrũra mataũni-inĩ. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Getwo Karo Kĩnyugo Mwaũra.